What's happening? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got another one from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Maruchan Kuta. Kuta means satisfied or satiated or full, like Kuta. Anyways, it's like a garlic butter cream flavor. I'm kind of like, we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it'll be pretty good. They've got some interesting varieties. They've got like, they've got a taco one. Who doesn't like a taco? I don't know. I'm okay with tacos. I'd rather have like a burrito al pastor. That's what I'm talking about right there. Oh, I need to set the timer. Try to grab a napkin. Take a little napkin time. I think it's 3 minutes. Yes. Yes, it is. Well, so yeah, like I mentioned on the last episode, I don't have any more student loans. Yay! For those of you that do, hopefully you won't have any more soon either. That was weird stuff. That was a crazy letter to get in the mail. I was like, is this like a total scam or something? But no, it wasn't. They appreciate my lack of vision, at least in the eyeball department, so cool. I appreciate that. So today, I am going to hit that thrift store yet again, because when you get your student loans given back, or they sent me all the money that I had spent paying for my student loans. Now, that wasn't really a huge amount. And I decided to do the chivalrous thing, which was to split the check with my wife. Actually, I gave her more than half. But yeah, so that's good. And yeah, I'm gonna go to the thrift store. Hopefully there'll be something fascinating to get there. I don't know, I've always, since I've been a kid, I've really loved thrift stores. I like go and get like all sorts of stuff. I've learned so much about electronics by going to the Anacortes Kiwanis shop and the Seroptimus thrift store that are up there. I would get like, God, what have I gotten there? I've gotten a photocopier there before that didn't work, and I messed around with it and pretty much learned how photocopiers work when I was a kid. Lots of stereo components. It used to be you could get like a record player, tape deck, and radio all in one thing. And I would take those things apart and you'd find that they had composite cables, like the red and the white ones. And so then I'd get like a cooler tape deck and I would just plug those into it, you know, with like an extender. And then I had a better turntable, so I'd plug the things into that. So basically I had like an amp that usually had these other components in it, and it still did, but I just used external components instead of those. I did that kind of crap. Lots of reel-to-reels, lots of just weird electronic stuff. And it was fun. I'd like take things apart. Capacitors stink. If you crack open a capacitor and open it up, it smells like dead fish. It's really strange. But yeah, I kind of just like messed around with stuff and opened it up and flibberty gibbets, you know. It was fun. Hands-on, cheap electrical training at the thrift store. But yeah, the thrift store here is all right. It's a St. Vincent de Paul. That's where I got my bread machine. It was like 27 bucks. I had to carry it home. It was heavy. I had to go to the store and get chocolate milk and a bunch of other junk too. I think I even bought bag of flour so I could get on using that thing right away. But yeah, I went and I got that there. What else did I've gotten some really good junk there. I got a lamp. I got this lamp. It just said it was an LED lamp, and I was like, okay, it was $5. Brought it home, looked it up, and it turns out it was Alexa enabled, and it was like RGB. So you could like go, Alexa, make the light, make table lamp red, make table lamp blue, make the table lamp blue, make table lamp 100%, make it 5%, just all sorts of weird stuff. Yeah, $5. And I found them on Amazon. They're like 40 bucks. Nothing that I really needed, but it's sitting on my nightstand right now, doing what it does. And I like that. So here's our weird garlic, butter, what have you. It's like minced pork, I'm guessing. Porco burger. That's quite good. Here's our noodle. Yeah, this is kind of like a premium cupped line. They've got some interesting varieties. Standards like shoyu, tonkatsu, miso. But then they've got like taco and buttered garlic cream. This has a lot of butteriness to it. That's very movie theater butter popcorn kind of stuff. But as you can see, it's very creamy. I'm not getting a huge garlic hit from it. I'm just getting mostly like this fake butter taste, which I've found in a lot of ramen varieties lately. They've got ones with little sachets that have like a fake pat of butter in them. All sorts of stuff. Oh yeah. It's not bad though, in little bits and pieces. And I am, of course, since I have some, and it is Fun Friday. Ooh, speaking of, I gotta get this show on the road. Let's do some torching. Some torchum. The torchum never stops here at the Ramen Raiders World Headquarters. A beautiful place to be. Sizzle. Sizztacular. Yeah, this is fun. I used to let you guys watch me use Holy Slicer to make this like ultra fine sliced spring onion, but I tend to try to like manage my time so exactly now that it's like I try to get that like all in the prep portion of the show, which you don't see. But what can you do? I mean, really, what can you do? You can't do much, but some sesame seed. I think that's probably good. Okay, all right. So cool. I can now say that I'll have done 3 reviews this week. I generally like to do more. I think next week might be a little better of a go. We'll see. Here we go, Rotato. All right, well, that is that. Thank you for watching, and there'll be more to come. So do it what you do and chew your food a decent amount. Yeah. And this has been Hans the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.